Greetings, YouTube. Elaine on back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. In this evening's episode of the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, we're going to be swinging you guys along with us right back over there to Ginger Valley. That's right, YouTube. It's been approximately 30 entire days since we brought you guys our last video update on the Pinecone Shampoo ginger that we're currently growing over at Ginger Valley. And before I show you guys what that Pinecone Shampoo ginger currently looks like, YouTube, this is what it looked like in our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our Pinecone Shampoo ginger currently looks like right here, right now, at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! YouTube, can you guys see this forest of Pinecone Shampoo ginger that's currently growing alongside our front porch in the location where Bumblebee Junction was located on last season? In our last video update, YouTube, we had approximately 14 canes in our planter over here, YouTube. Today is again August 17th, 2020, and today, YouTube, today we have a total of 22 canes in this planter, YouTube. But not only do we have a total of 22 canes in our Pinecone Shampoo ginger planter here at Ginger Valley, YouTube, we also have 3 blossoms. That's right, YouTube. Indeed, last year, our Pinecone Shampoo ginger that we grew out in the location where we're currently growing our Celeste fig tree did not provide us with blossoms last year in that super sunny and scorching location in our front yard garden extended grow area. In fact, last year, our Pinecone Shampoo ginger suffered from a little sunburn because we had a drought situation last year. We weren't getting that very much rain, and we also had a heat wave last year. And our Pinecone Shampoo ginger kind of suffered out there in that heat last year. But we thought that this year, YouTube, this year indeed, we'll plant our Pinecone Shampoo ginger in a much more shady location. And as you can see, YouTube, as you can see, our Pinecone Shampoo ginger is indeed loving this partially shaded location in our front yard garden extended grow area. And now, YouTube, now indeed I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up of something very, very special. Again, we did not get Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossoms last year due to the stress that our plants were under out there in that sunny location. But this year, YouTube, in this perfect location to be growing ginger, our Pinecone Shampoo ginger has indeed produced thus far 3 Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossoms. I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up right now and show you that largest one right now, YouTube. Take a look at this. Can you guys see that, YouTube? You see that blossom down in there? I'll move some of these leaves back and get you guys a better view of what that Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossom is beginning to look like now that it has started to develop on our plants out here. That's that first Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossom. If you know anything about Pinecone Shampoo ginger, you know that those blossoms get about the size of a pine cone, and they're a deep red when they're fully mature. Looks just like a pine cone, listen to YouTube. This is indeed our next Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossom. You guys see that down in there? That is indeed our second to begin to form Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossom. Again, there's that first one over in there. There's a much better view of it. It's getting quite large, but it actually gets about 3 times that size when it's fully mature. And this, YouTube, this is indeed our third Pinecone Shampoo ginger blossom that has begun to form here in our planter. That's it down there, newly sprouting from beneath the soil. As you can see, it has a very, very thick head on it. This is what a Pinecone Shampoo ginger cane looks like when it first emerges from the soil. Take a look at this, guys. You guys see that? See how thin that emerging Pinecone Shampoo ginger cane is? in diameter, as opposed to how thick our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger blossom is as it emerges from the soil. It's another Pinecone Shampoo Ginger cane sprouting right there. You can see it's very, very thin and narrow at the top. And again, that Pinecone Shampoo Ginger blossom has a very blunt tip on it. But again, YouTube, again, this is indeed what our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger is currently looking like right here, right now, August 17th, 2020 at Ginger Valley in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardener channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. Blossoms on our Pinecone Shampoo Ginger at Ginger Valley. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Keeping each and every one of my haters below me. I'm on the top, they fall behind, but they reaching out for me. I never listen to the music they make cause they bore me. Behind their backs, they ladies telling me that they adore me. I am a lion, hurt your girl, got a warrant out for me. Besides the thrill, ain't nothing that she could ever do for me. I wake up every day feeling blessed to be alive. Y'all hate on where I stay and then hate whatever I drive. Y'all wanna be me, there can be only one. I make you understand where I'm coming from. I still be standing when the battle is done. Watching you struggle while I do this for fun. Destined to be the best. I'm blessed, feeling good. Y'all having shootouts in your rough neighborhood. I'm cashing checks, they coming out of the woods. They got their hands out, but I wish that I would. They show no love when I was broke, feeling down. But trying to claim me now that I wear a crown. Thought that they see me on billboards in their town. Thought that the words around that I lay it down. I started in this less than 10 years ago. Woke up this morning, can't see haters no more. I asked the question, where did them haters go? Where did they go? Then I remember this done happened before. I'm on the top and that's a place they can't go. They on the bottom, mixtapes, all that they know. I'm international and I'm coast to coast. They all on Instagram, they doing the most. No need for me to brag and no need to boast. You hungry feet, you give you some of my clothes. I'm crying, here's a tissue, go wipe your nose. Y'all haters hate, this motivates me some more. Thought it was over, but I'm rapping again.